Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by enabling apps from unknown sources. This lets you sideload Chrome. Open Settings, go to My Fire TV, Developer Options, and toggle the option on. Once done, install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store so you can fetch the APK. Make sure your Firestick is on the same Wi-Fi network as any devices you'll use for transfer, and that it's signed into your Amazon account. This avoids permission blocks and speeds installation. Use Downloader's browser field to type the Chrome APK link or transfer the file via USB/ADB if you prefer. This gets the installer onto the device. When the download finishes, grant storage and install permissions. These are required to write and run the app. Tap Install and be patient while the package unpacks. Once complete, press Done but don't open yet. You'll next move to adapt Chrome to Firestick controls and pin it for easy access. Open Chrome and pair a Bluetooth mouse or use a mouse toggle app so you can navigate. The Fire TV remote doesn't fully emulate a touchscreen, which is why this step matters. Sign into Chrome to sync bookmarks, then test video playback and sites you use most. If pages misrender or Chrome crashes, clear app data, uninstall and reinstall the APK, or revert to a lightweight browser as a fallback. Remember, permission and input issues are the most common causes. Address them first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.